In this video, we are going to learn about the modulo operator. The modulo operator is also known as the reminder operator and is a useful tool for performing arithmetic operations on numbers. It can help us find the remainder of a division and check if a number is even or odd, and perform other tasks that involve working with multiples and factors. In this video, we will learn how to use the modulo operator, what it does, and how it can be applied to our real world problems. So let's get started. The modulo operator is represented by this percentage symbol in JavaScript. It takes two operands, a dividend and a divisor, and returns the remainder of the division. For example, if we want to check the remainder of 7 divided by 3, you can see it returns 1 because 7 divided by 3 gives a quotient of 2 and a remainder of 1. Similarly, if we do 12 modulo 5 and if I hit save, you can see it returns 2 because 12 divided by 5 gives a quotient of 2 and a remainder of 2. The modulo operator can also be used with negative numbers, but the sign of the remainder depends on the sign of the dividend. For example, if we do minus 7 modulo 3, you can see now we have minus 1. Now this modulo operator can be useful for many purposes, such as checking if a number is divisible by another number, or finding the last digit of a number, or cycling through a sequence of values. Now let's see an example of how we can use the modulo operator in JavaScript. And one common use case of the modulo operator is to check if a number is even or odd. An even number is a number that is divisible by 2, which means it has a remainder of 0 when divided by 2. And on the other hand, an odd number is a number that is not divisible by 2, which means it has a remainder of 1 when divided by 2. We can use the modulo operator to check the remainder of a number when divided by 2, and we can use if else statement to check if it is even or odd. In order to do this, we can write a function that takes a number as an argument and returns a string indicating if it is even or odd. Now we can write const check even. Then this function has one parameter, which is the number that we are going to check, and here we are going to use our arrow function. Now after this, we are going to use the modulo operator to get the remainder of a number. Now here we are going to create a variable. Let remainder is equal to num modulo 2, like this, and after this we are going to check if a remainder is 0, then this means that we have an even number, and if a remainder is not 0, then that means the number is odd. So to check this, we can write if remainder is equal to 0, then we are going to log by using these backticks that num is even, like this. And else, if a remainder is greater than 0, then we are going to log num is odd, like this. And now we are going to test this function by providing this function different numbers. So check even, and after calling, and if we provide a number like 10, you can see in our console that 10 is even. Similarly, we can check any number like 3. You can see 3 is odd, and if we check 100, you can see it is even number. So this function works as expected and returns the correct output for different numbers. This is a simple example of how we can use the modulo operator to check if a number is even or odd. And that is it for today's video. So in this video, we learned about the JavaScript modulo operator, how it works, and how it can be used for various purposes. The modulo operator is a handy tool for performing arithmetic operations on numbers, especially when we need to work with reminders, multiples, and factors. So I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join this exciting web development journey with us. Keep coding and keep creating. I will see you in the next video.